let's unbox some more AT. Here we go. Okay, these are called step-by-steps, and these are by Ablenet. These are so awesome for kids to be able to do some social scripting. In this example, I'm a reporter, and I have some questions.
Excuse me, do you have a moment? What's your name? My name is Megan, and I'm a news reporter from Great Prairie AEA TV.
Aren't those awesome? So if you have a kid who needs to work on some social scripting, needs to engage with peers and others in their classes, they can access it this way, or they can plug in a capability switch, and now
I'm doing a story about scout owls at
there you go, check it out at our AT library.